guys, today we are going to my Tito Nino's and Tito Fiona's newly opened store. So he sells supplies for birthdays and weddings for occasions, you know, special occasions. Now, they have a lot of stuff, okay? Let's go inside. And the name is Creative Corner. So to know what he sells and what services he offers, we're going to ask my Ninong Ninyo. Let's go.
Hi, Ninin to. Thank you so much.
So, Ninong Ninyo, what do you sell in your store and what services you offer?
We have here party needs and baking supplies. Like, makita nila na yung mga banners for birthdays. We have also Ninin to baking supplies, pero for the meantime, di pa na siya complete since nag-purchase pa man. Then balloons. Nagpa-rent sa go mga gamit. Since nag-styling man ni Creative Corner is styling mo gana before. Most of our mga styling ng mga gamit ang mga rapon gibutan nila for rent. Nag-accept ko mga photography packages po. So ako lang i-post akong page kung sa mga package niya akong ikuhan kasi since bago raman po ko nag-establish ang store, wala pa ko na complete.
So, Tito Ninyo, since, you know, if a lot of people wants to order, do you have like a number? You know,
Yes, we have Facebook page Ninin to Creative Corner Party and Pastries. And you can also do contact us. Bago ni siya nga number 0935-250-4525.
So guys, now I'm going to take a tour. So these are banners. There are a lot of banners, okay? Lots of design. It's really, really colorful. Ooh, air-filled balloons. Ooh, more balloons and like, ooh, more balloons. Oh, look at that. Baby shark banner. One more over there. It says happy birthday. So over here, this is where the balloons are. All of the balloons, okay? Right over here. Here we have some more banners. There you go. There are lots of designs. Oh, and they even have candles. So this section right over here is for rent. Yeah, this is, you know, designs, rent, for parties, maybe for weddings. Oh, this is a cute little roller coaster. And oh, they also sell masks because it's pandemic. And right over here is some more designs. Ooh, cute. Got this color yellow. I don't know. What is this called? You know, what do you know? What do you know?
Candle, sparkling candle.
Oh, sparkling candles. Really nice. We got some refined sugar, you know, for making pastries, maybe that, you know. And right over here, okay, let's not, I don't know what the name is. Right over here is some decoration. Okay, can't reach. Yeah. Oh no. Ooh, these are so cute. Ooh, for balloons. And I don't, oh, it's so cute. I can't reach. And there's more at the top, right over there. So guys, they also have a lure for fishing. Right over there. This is so cute. And they also have more for rent here. Oh, that's oil? Yeah, oil. Forgot the name, dude. More stuff for rent, like cloth, beautiful cloth. More design. So for rent, this is a good design. And the camera for photography. So they also have letter balloons. Look at that. And they also have number balloons. Tita, can I try one of the balloons?
Yeah, sure. I'm into it. And try that
Say,
one.
how do I? I'm scared.
Yeah, here. Take this one.
Where? This one?
Yeah. Like press this color blue button. Yeah, like that.
I-press mo sabi.
Here.
I-hold mo na. Yeah. it will blow.
That's scary. Too scary.
Usab para na ikaw raw usab sige.
So I'm gonna try it myself. I'm a little
Okay.
scared. So scary. Okay. No. Let's do it now. No. No. Okay, again. Okay. Yes, that's enough. That's enough. I'm so scared. Ooh, what are you doing?
I have something for you, Ninin. Kani siya magamit ni for this time of pandemic. Spray ni siya. Ako nilulutan og alcohol ha. Dala-dala ko every time asa ka mag-vlog.
Okay.
And please do subscribe Ninin the English Sirang Bisaya yung page sa Facebook and YouTube. I have here also chocolates, okay?
Okay,
Thank you.
What's in the store, that is what they sell, and there are more party supplies to come. Okay, so this is just the beginning, but then it will get crazy when it's like, you know, in the middle. It's really beautiful, it's really colorful, the star, it's really big, okay? Great garnish, so beautiful. I like it so much. And let's go outside here. They even put up balloons. I forgot to film this when I was like outside. That's so cool. So their location is in front of GMR Marketing, okay? Near of the Ceres Terminal. So if you have a party going on, you can come here and buy some supplies.
Audio Jungle.